Hey guys, in your Windows PC, the calculator is not working. So I have some tricks to fix this issue. Just click on Windows icon, go to the settings, click on apps, and here just search calculator. Just click on it and click on advanced option. Scroll down and here you can see the reset button. Just click on the reset button and it will take some time to reset the application. After resetting the calculator app, open the calculator and see that if it is working or not. If the issue is still there, then follow the second method. Just click on Windows button and search PowerShell. Open the PowerShell and write down this command. You don't have to write this command manually. I will pin this command into the description box or the comment section. Just hit enter. After finishing that process, just exit from the PowerShell and restart your PC once, and then check if the calculator application is working or not. If the issue is still there or your calculator is not working, then please comment down below. I will suggest you some another tricks. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching.